Hi, I'm James Pumphrey from Donut, Speed, and How I Met Your Mother. A common issue on Porsche, Audi, and Volkswagen V8s is that the coolant pipe fittings were originally glued from the factory, and after enough heat cycles, that glue can let go, the pipes can back themselves out, which usually means it dumps coolant everywhere, which is bad. We actually just discovered that this happened on our car, and the previous owner gave it the full landlord special and smeared sealant all over it to fix it. That is the wrong way to fix it. This is the right way. This is the new Eurowise Cayenne Pinning Kit. It comes with everything you need to drill a small hole through the fitting and pipe and install a locking pin that mechanically secures the coolant pipe so it cannot back out. The kit comes with everything you need: drill bit, tap, screws, and once you do it, it's a permanent fix. This is the way that they should have done it from the factory. It's a tiny fix, but a big upgrade. It eliminates a major failure point. So today, we are gonna show you exactly how to install it on our 2008 Porsche Cayenne. Let's get into it. This kit covers your cooling system fittings at the thermostat housing and rear crossover pipe. And in order to access those areas, you'll need to remove the intake manifold. Once clear, begin by using the provided bit to drill a hole into the thermostat housing and all the way through the barb underneath. Repeat on the other side. Use the provided tap to thread each hole. Apply Loctite to the pinning screw. Use a T-handle hex key to tighten the screws. Repeat on the other side. From here, you'd normally move to the back crossover pipe, but as we alluded, this area was too far gone on our Cayenne. We ended up replacing that part with a new, factory-revised, threaded replacement. But if it hadn't already failed, repeating this process back there would have saved us a few $100. And that's it, a simple kit that can save you a ton of headache. Check it out now at Eurowise.com.